our stainless steel collection. It's premium quality, high-end solution for any business. It's good for the office, it's good for the retail, it's good for the indoor, it's good for the outdoor. It's very good quality. The method used to apply the color on the face called electroplating. So it's very durable and it's not gonna chip and it lasts longer. It's corrosion free, UV protected, and like very good quality. Also for the face, we can do pretty much any color for the face. We can do gold, we can do silver, we can do mirror effect with a glossy kind of finish, or we can do brush for more classic view. We can do black, we can do blue, pretty much any color we can do for the face. And you can see this is the example of the letter built. I think you see the fingerprints, but it can be easily wiped off. So yeah, it's 3/4 thick leather and the acrylic back. So for this specific example, we don't have any illumination, so there is no LEDs behind, so that's why it's flat. For the backlit, you can see here it comes with the 1/4 thick back for the LED. So and it can be side lit, or we can put some studs. So let's move on to our next piece, which is different type of the leather, and this is the most popular top seller so far on the US market. So this is the classic traditional channel leather for the face lit application, and it's fabricated aluminum. So the way it works, so this is the leather. We install the LEDs inside and then cover it with the acrylic face, and we have many options for the face. So you can see here's the sample kit. So a lot of options for the face, but in case if we don't have the desired color, or you have some graphic, like the specific design that you want to be on your face, we can do a print and do vinyl application. So it will be something like this. So let me just peel it off a little bit so you can see. And it's different type of leather, but you can see the vinyl application goes on top of the acrylic for custom applications. So we can do it. And so this is a very versatile solution. It doesn't have to be a leather. It can be light box. So we can build large light box in any shape, and can be the shape of the. Recently we had a project. We built the glasses, the sunglasses, the shape of the sunglasses, and put a LED behind. So it's very cool for the store. Put it behind the window so people can see from the outside. It's pretty cool. So this is the traditional channel leather. It's almost 5-inch thick, but we can adjust the thickness depending on the application. And in the next video, I probably show you how we mount it. The most common way to mount it is on a raceway, but it's not very cool in my opinion, so it's better to have some sort of like a backboard to make it look better. And also, if you want a backlit, make it backlit, then it's better if you have something behind so it can reflect the lights better. Okay. Let's move on. What are the other options we have? Another option we have is PVC. So this is probably the most cost-effective solution. It's a PVC, basically a plastic flat cut. So this one is 1/2 inch, but we can do different thickness. So we cut this on CNC. We put a sheet of material on the CNC, cut it, apply the vinyl on the top or paint it, and then you get this PVC letters. Another option with aluminum is flat cut aluminum. Same method. We put a piece of material on the laser machine and then cut it with the laser, and this is ready to go piece. And we can do gold, we can do silver, we can do any color for the aluminum flat cut signs. And this is like more classic look comparing to this traditional channel letters. So this is more for the law office or something, like for the indoor, make it look high end and classic, kind of maybe for the doctor office or for the lawyer office. So this is a very good solution. Another cost-effective options we have is foam. It looks exactly like like aluminum, but it's very lightweight. So if you see me in person, I can let you hold it so you can feel this one is much heavier than this one. But it looks, if you're on a budget, so this one might be a good solution. So it's like a foam with a very thin layer of aluminum plate. It's like maybe 1/16 thick plate on the top. Another option is acrylic. Again, so this is the samples of acrylic. We can do any acrylic face, any acrylic letter. So for some applications, it might be cool. For example, we can pick something nicer, like for example, like this one is the semi-translucent acrylic, and for some applications it might be cool, especially if you have something on behind, so it can create nice 3D effect for your sign. It depends on the project, of course. We design every project individually with our clients. This is another option. I'm not sure if you can really see the difference on the video, but this is plastic. Same plastic, flat cut with aluminum plate. Looks the same. Another option is fabricated channel letter. So it's similar to this one, but you can see the difference. This one has a trim. You see the trim all around, but this one is a trimless. So it's like a cleaner look a little bit. So also on the back it looks the same. Another option is the hollow lid. So it's similar fabrication method, but this one specifically is made for the hollow lid. So we put the LED inside and we have no back, so it creates nice backlit effect. So that's why I said earlier it's better to have some sort of panel behind the letters so it can reflect better. Of course, these days a lot of LED options. So we can do RGB, red, green, blue. You can control this from your app, or we can put like a manual RGB switch, so you can just change what color do you like. Many options. We can make it react on music, or put a sensor that it can light up on motion. Yeah, maybe somebody pass by the store or somebody walk in, and then it can trigger the color change. It can bear with me. I'm gonna share more videos about signs and how we fabricate them, how we install them, how we design them. And yeah, looking forward to working with you. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for your attention.